The first thing you're going to want to do with your tie front hood top is you want to sew the back seam of the hood. So this is the hoodie, and there's the back seam. And then after that, you're going to take the back strap, because this is kind of an open back. It's got a narrow strap in the back. And you're going to sew both sides of that strap. So now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go over and do some stitches on my cover stitch machine, but you can also use a zigzag machine. I've hemmed under every unfinished edge of this top about 1/2 inch. So the only edge that I did not finish is the bottom edge, because I want to show you how to tuck in the tips of the tie. It took me a little while to get this because I taught myself. This edge that just sticks out a little bit farther right here, you're just going to cut that off. And then you're going to take it and fold it under about 3/4 of an inch or an inch, just enough to be able to fold this piece right here over to where you can hem it about the same 1/2 inch all the way through. And you're going to start hemming right here, and you're going to do your 1/2 inch hem. I finished the tie front top with the hood, and this is what the ends look like when you've done that tuck and fold. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, stay sexy. Bye.